So here's how to use JavaScript with Wix. First of all, open up your browser and go to wix.com. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. From here, you need to click on Settings on the left panel. So once you're in the Settings section, you'll get to see a lot of options. So now, you need to scroll down and go to the Advanced section. Here, you will see this Custom Code option. So, click on Custom Code. So on this page, as you can see, it says to add custom code, you need to upgrade your site and connect a domain. And on the top right corner, you have the option to add custom code. So if you upgrade your site, you'll be able to click on Add Custom Code and add your JavaScript code in here. Note that this feature is not available if you do not have a subscription. So you just need to upgrade your website and you will easily be able to use JavaScript with Wix. If you want to use Wix, click on the link in the description of this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.